Red Sichuan Pepper Arrabbiata Penne pasta. Penne all'arrabbiata, literally angry penne, was not angry enough. We're gonna make it angrier by adding some of the angriest red Sichuan peppers. Mince some onions and garlic and set aside. Rinse the bell peppers, remove the internal parts, then cut into slices. Set half of the slices apart, then dice the rest and set aside too. Mince the chilies and set aside. Pour into a pan some extra virgin olive oil, heat up, and pour in some minced garlic and chopped onions. Let them cook for 2 minutes, then when golden, add the minced chilies, some ground red Sichuan peppers, and the diced bell peppers. Proceed then by adding some red Sichuan pepper oil. Stir well and pour in the chopped tomato pulp. Adjust the salt and mix well. Add in a pinch of sugar if you want to loosen up the acidity of tomatoes. And remember to keep everything at low heat. Add in the bell pepper slices and some more extra virgin olive oil. Adding a pinch of salt. Cook your penne pasta into water. Remember Mama's secret. Add in some of the cooking water, the starchy pasta water, and mix well. Then place them into the pan with the arrabbiata sauce. Mix for around 1 minute until the sauce has thickened up together with the pasta. Place the pasta into an empty bowl and job done. Sprinkle some additional red Sichuan pepper for a more numbing and angrier sensation. Angry enough?